Hey guys, today we're going to be discussing 6 neat Windows tricks to increase your productivity. Be sure to watch all the way through because I have a little hacking tip for you at the end, coming up. With this first tip, we're going to rerun a common trick many of you may or may not remember, Alt-Tab. This little feature enables you to quickly snap through your windows, finding the exact one you're looking for. Combine Alt-Tab with the Shift key and you'll instantly reverse the view scrolling highlighter.
Also guys, if you like this video and other videos in my channel, please click the subscribe button and enable notifications for any of my latest updates.
Now, many of you still drag and drop, but did you know that holding down one key keeps you from having to right-click copy, then right-click paste while dragging and dropping? The Control key. Yeah. This key changes the little blue Move To Copy To, eliminating all of the hassle of extra button clicks and excess mouse movements. For those of you who didn't know, there's a right-click dragging option. Once the files are dragged and the mouse is released, a small context menu pops up with the file-related functions that might be just as useful as keyboard shortcuts. Now, we all probably know about Windows' fancy Aero snapping feature, but did you know that this can be done with shortcut keys on your keyboard? Just hit and hold the Windows key, then press any of the directional arrows to snap the window you're using to almost any part of the screen. With 2 presses to the down arrow while holding this key, you can instantly minimize any window. Pretty neat trick to combine with Alt-Tab, eh? And now for those power users who've dived into some command line and PowerShell. Do you remember the days of Shift right-clicking and opening up command prompt in the location you're in? Well, those days of old have been replaced by
Open PowerShell window here.
Instead. If you're curious of how to open a simple command line where you are, head to the address bar and type cmd%cd% and then hit enter. Voila! You're in the folder in your command prompt just like the good old days. Say you're needing to test your internet connectivity and you need to know whether you have an ISP or DNS issue. Well, you can't just type the regular CMD-based command line in the address bar and execute it. Instead, encapsulate your command by typing PowerShell -command open quotations ampersand left squiggly bracket and begin typing your commands inside of this set of squiggly brackets. Separate them all by semicolons. If you need to see the output, be sure to add pause at the end of your commands before closing the script with a right squiggly bracket and a set of close quotations. I'll put the set of commands in the comment box in case any of you need to reference this video for later. And now, the small hacking tip, hacking into another's account browsing history. This tip can come in handy for those who share their computers with a boyfriend or girlfriend. On top of this, parents can utilize this to monitor their children's online activities to ensure they're browsing safely and securely. Start this tip by opening the Start menu and typing the name of the browser. Right-click the browser and open its file location. Your link or app should already be highlighted. From the purple Manage upper hand tab, select Application Tools. Under Run as Administrator, click the down arrow. Under this, select Run as another user. You'll be prompted for the username and password you want to run the app as. Enter their username and password. Hit Ctrl-H. This will pull up the History tab on most browsers. You'll then be introduced to the wide web of their browsing history. If you don't have the user's password, but you have administrative rights to the PC, remember you can reset the password to perform this trick. Also, this method is extremely discreet as you can't be detected as logging onto their account using this command.
Thanks for checking out my video. If you'd like to stay updated with more tech tips and other related videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also be sure to click the notification bell to be informed of all of my latest uploads. Please leave any questions or comments below and let me know what you might like to watch me do next time. So until the next video, namaste.